Okay, yeah, so today we are going to be talking about something which is very, very important. And we're going to be talking about it. Like you can find it on a female dress or you can find it on a male dress. And what is the name of that? It's called the slit. Look at it. That which we usually see by the side of our clothes. So let's talk a little more about that. For those that don't know much about the slit, let's talk about the slit. So this is the slit. Are you seeing it? Usually that opening that you find on a dress that usually comes from the waistline down to wherever the top or the blouse or whatever ends, do you understand? That is the slit. You can also find it, that I'm talking about top now, you can also find it on gowns, do you understand, from a particular position above then to the down part of the gown. But remember, what we have here is a senator. It can be for a male, it can be for a female, but let's just be talking about, we're going to be talking about a male senator right now. Then another name of a slit, what other name do we call it? Then we can call it what? Vent. You guys know that if you go to the dictionary and search for this vent, you see a lot of things that is called vent, but just know that the vent we are talking about is based on clothing, which is what? The opening on a dress. Do you understand? Okay, that is another name for slit, which is called vent. So let's go back to the different kinds of slits that we have. Like, let's just mention but a few that we already know. We have the open and closed slits. Do you understand? Which one is the open slit? Open slit is the normal slit that we usually have on dresses. Now look at it. You can see this particular slit. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? This is the slit. Are you seeing it? So this one is called the open slit. Why is it called the open? Because it's actually open. When you wear it, somebody will be seeing this part of your body. Do you understand? So which one is the closed slit? Another name for the closed slit is also the one we call the overlap. So the overlap, instead of it opening this way, look at it, overlap. Instead of it opening this way, you will not see one that will be overlapping on the other particular one. Do you understand? This one is called the overlap. So whichever one you choose to carry out your project is very much okay. It's just dependent on you, your choice, and your customer choice. Do you understand? So that is it. In case you've not followed this particular channel or this particular page, please do so to follow, because we teach a lot of good things here. Do you understand? So let's continue. And by the way, if you haven't bought our book, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide, which you are going to be seeing all these things in our book, it's going to teach you how to draft comfortably. This one is not like the Oyibo own, that when they are speaking their grammar, you will not understand. The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide will help you to draft very, very well. In order for you to buy it, just go to online or go to Amazon, search The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. Do you understand? Or maybe you can chat me up on WhatsApp and I'll show you how to buy it. You can also go on Google and search The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. You see the link on, different channels which you can do your purchase. Thanks, and may God bless you. So let's continue. So there's a question I asked my students: why do we even put slits on a dress? And so many of them made their say the reasons why there is slit on a dress. Some of them said the slit actually helps you to also, when you're wearing a cloth or when you are pulling it out, which is the truth. Remember, I've explained about the placket, that the placket, this is it, the chest placket actually helps you when you're wearing your clothes and when you are removing it. But one thing we did not mention that time is that it's not only the chest placket that helps you do that, also the slit helps you do that. Remember, let's say example, you made a fitted dress and you want to pull it out, or you want to wear it. It is a slit. Okay, now let me show you guys something. In a situation where I want to wear this cloth, I'll first open up here. Are you seeing it? Then when I want to wear it, now look at how I wear it. I'll put my hand like this. Now you see this side, my hand is entering to this slit side. Are you seeing it? In a situation where your cloth is long, it is this slit side that will help you reach this particular part that is open here around this chest region. The slit side will help you reach it quickly. In a situation where the slit side is closed, it will not help you reach it quickly. Thereby you will struggle, to frustrate you when you are wearing the cloth or when you are trying to remove the dress. Okay. So let's talk about another advantage of slit, what it actually does, or what the vent also does. Then there's something I was asking my student, and one person mentioned something that it helps the shape of the dress. Oh, that is 100% very, very marvelous. Now look, let's assume a man is wearing a very fitted senator top that is on the knee. Remember, I said it's very fitted and there is no slit on it. How will the man look like? The man will look so much feminine. Do you understand? The man will look very, very awkward. But let's say there is a slit, and the slit usually starts from the waistline. Do you understand? And now the slit comes from the waistline, the lower waistline, then all the way down. You see that the dress would look very nice, just like a male dress, because the hip now, which was very fitted, will now be opening, thereby giving you what? Open slit. Or even if you want to do overlap, it will still find a way to what? To open, and thereby giving the dress a better fitting. Do you understand? So these are some of the functions of a slit. We also have other functions of a slit. Example, do you know that whenever you put a slit on a senator top and you want to now put a side pocket, in most cases, how do you gauge where the pocket is going to be sitting? And the bottom part of the pocket, the base of the pocket, where it's going to be sitting, is going to be sitting at the top of the slit. Now, what do I mean by that? Look at it. In case you are putting a pocket, now look at it. This is our slit. Are you seeing it? Now, the side pocket will be starting from here. Now, from here upwards, depending on the length of your pocket. Remember what I said? There are a lot of functions that a slit does. Do you understand? But these are the ones we can be able to mention. But if you, like I've told you guys, if you want to learn more on how to draft, I have a book which I call the Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. In case you forget anything here, don't forget this book, because this book will expose all this knowledge to you. Do you understand? I'm still your one and only one Kachukwu, the CEO of Ceefashion Academy. Make sure you get your Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. Remember, the name is the Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. You can search it on Google. You can search it under every of my video on YouTube. You will get it. It's very affordable. Thanks, and may God bless you.